Hello guys, I hope you all are doing great and you all are making some passive income. Welcome back to my channel Mega Passive Incomes, where I review lots of hypes and smart contract platforms and I give you regular updates about those that I have joined in. So today it's going to be an update video of Popcorn BUSD miners that I joined about 5 days back, and I'm cranking out massive profits out of it. Before I begin giving the update about this video, I must tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. If you wish to seek to do any financial advice or any financial action, make sure to do your own due diligence as well. So with that being said, let's quickly jump into the video. Here you can see right in front of your screen is my MetaMask account that I have created. I have around 3900 BUSD, out of which about 2000 BUSD or 2000 BUSD I have earned from Popcorn miners. The best thing about Popcorn miners is that it has insane ROI, 16% daily, and if you calculate it, it's gonna be 5840% return on interest per year, which is insane. And everybody is talking about this. It's a talk of the town. And if you have heard about popcorn miners and if you don't know how to go about it, I have done the hard work for you guys. You don't need to do a lot. Just follow the link that I have placed in the description of this video. It will take you to this screen where you will see this popcorn BUSD miner step-by-step guide. Just click on this. Once you do that, it will take you to a screen which actually looks like this. It's a step-by-step guide from step 1 till step 8. Everything has been explained in quite detail, and you can always follow this on your laptop through your Google Chrome. So everything has been made so easy. You don't need to do any of the hard work. I have done this for you. I'll place the link of this web page in the description. You just hop over and have a look at it. So that is it, and let me tell you some tips about this popcorn BUSD miner. Once you register to it and once you start making money, you're gonna be making 16% daily profit. Okay, and what we tend to do is that instead of pocketing our BUSD that you see here, pocket your BUSD, it means that the profit that you make after 24 hours, you pocket it into your wallet. They should appear in your wallet. But what we tend to do is that we start compounding them. Compounding means if you have invested $100, let me open a calculator. All right, so if you have invested $100 and you make 16% on it, it's gonna be $16. Okay, what people now do is that they start compounding this 100 plus 16, which makes 116. Now the next day they will be making 16% on this $116, which means they will compound their today's profit along with their initial investment, which you should not do because you should be on the safe side. Keep withdrawing your profits, keep withdrawing profits and minimize your risk. So after every 24 hours you have the option either to compound the miners, like compound your previous profits that you have made into a new cycle, or you can pocket it into your wallet and start mining with the initial deposit that you have already made. So I suggest you guys that you should pocket your BUSD and start doing another cycle by approving your BUSD and then hiring the BUSD for your mining purposes. If I take you to this how to start mining, here you can see that, and you have to bring in your BUSD. Just enter your BUSD amount that you want to hire, click hire miners. Miners find tokens that they do, you don't need to worry about it. Compound daily, that's totally on you if you want to compound it or not, and I tell you that not compound, start withdrawing profits, and at the end it says withdraw profits. Have a look at this website. I'll place the link in the description of this video as well, so that you guys can have an easy look at it. Take your time, take all the time in the world, but don't be late. You snooze, you lose, because a platform giving 16% each day would not last for quite a good amount of time, but it may do it for a month or so because it's a smart contract platform. And I have been sharing more smart contract platforms in my Telegram channel on my website. If I take you there as well, here you can see that this is solar farm v2, it gives 14%. This is Goldgrinder, which gives 10%. I have other hypes as well. Here you can see this latest section. Just go over, this is Zeus 10, which is today, it just launched today. We have Kazad Finance and a lots of new opportunities, a lots of smart contracts, a lot of long term insurance and VIP projects are there. You must hop in and have a look over there. So this was an update about popcorn BUSD miners. I hope that you guys have liked this one. If you really did, please give this video a thumbs up, plus subscribe to my channel so that you keep on getting updates like these. I'll hope to see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out.